So you are here for the interview, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please can I see your credentials?
My first degree.
Wow, you graduated first class in accounting.
Yes, sir.
Do you have masters?
I have it here, sir.
You have masters? Distinction. What of PhD? Do you have PhD?
Yeah, I have it here too.
Oh, you even have PhD?
He shot you!
You don't mean it. Distinction. Ha! What of any professional courses? Do you have any professional results?
I have ICANN and others. This is one.
Okay. One.
This one is another one.
Two.
Another one again. This one too.
This and that one. Ha! No. My brother, I'm sorry, you can't work here. No, God forbid. By the grace of God, you can never. You haven't bringing another one. Let me. Another professional result. No. You can't work here. God forbid. Look at you. See only you. See all your results. See your results. Like textbook. Even my guy that employed me. Does he have this kind of results? Only you. See all your results. You can never have work in this life. You can never get work in this Nigeria. So you think it's by book. Only you have master. Can we pay you? No. You not work. When I look for work, even me that I'm interviewing you, how much are they paying me? You have this kind of results. Let me see where you work in this country. Let's bet if you have work in this country. My friend, close that and leave my office. Only to read book up and look at you. I know they say that you will go and do another course. See, and let me just let you know, I've marked your face. I know your results. I will tell all my friends, you will never get work in this Nigeria. Let's bet over Sabi. I better leave my office. Come on, I'll see you now and say you deserve the job. And let me tell you, let's bet I will frustrate you in this country.